Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the video. As you guys can see, my living room is super dirty. I pretty much just let the kids play and do whatever they want to all day in that huge pile of clothes right there. I am such a procrastinator when it comes to folding clothes. I loathe it, so it takes me a while to actually get to it. And I knew I was going to record this video, so I kind of just left it for a while. And I'm sorry if you guys hear talking in my background. My husband is playing his game and then the kids keep coming in and out of the room. And I'm in a quiet place right now, but you guys can still hear them in the background. So how is you guys' Ramadan going? Let me know in the comments below. Alhamdulillah, mine is going good so far. By the time you guys are watching this video, it's about a week into Ramadan. I recorded this on the second day, but whatever happened, and I wasn't able to get it up as soon as I wanted to. So I'm not really going to talk too much. I'm just going to let the video play as you guys are watching me clean up and pretty much put up my decorations. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it.
لماذا وكيف وماذا اشرح لي ذاك وهذا قلها للناس وكررها كن فضوليا وأكثر السؤال كن فضوليا وأطلق الخيال كن فضوليا وأكثر السؤال كن فضوليا وأطلق الخيال هو جيل أسعد وأجمل يفهم دنياه يعمرها لاحظ وابحث وتفكر وتساءل واسمع وانظر فكك أشياء وركبها جيل يستفسر يسأل هو جيل أسعد وأجمل يفهم دنياه يعمرها وتفكر وتساءل واسمع وانظر فكك أشياء وركبها لماذا وكيف وماذا اشرح لي ذاك وهذا قلها للناس وكررها ستجد جوابا أسرار الكون ستعرفها ناقش واعرف أسبابا تلقى عجبا وعجابا نفسك بالعلم تحررها اسأل تفتح أبوابا اسأل وستجد جوابا أسرار الكون ستعرفها نفسك بالعلم تحررها لماذا وكيف وماذا اشرح لي ذاك وهذا قلها للناس وكررها